What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video. We got something special. So as you can see from this package right here, we have something sent over from our friends at JBL, and it's a collab with Giannis. Yes, Giannis Antetokounmpo, 2021 NBA champion, 2021 season MVP, 2021 finals MVP. Not anybody could say that. That's crazy. But I want to say a huge thanks to JBL for sending this out and sponsoring today's video. And Giannis really took time out to design everything on this box, and I'll show you right now. So if you unfold this right here, it's magnetic. But first off, you could see we have a little letter here from JBL and a couple things about Giannis and his journey. But man, just look at this. We have like this dye pattern, this blue dye pattern right around the headset. Also the same thing we could find on the Endurance Peak earbuds as well. So you can see we have Giannis' signature on top, and also the same blue dye pattern which has like the map of Europe, but more highlighted is the Greece era. So that's where Giannis is from. Really cool. I love the attention to detail. So you actually get the accessories. So this is for the Peak Endurance, and this is for the Tour 1, which is the over-the-air headset. First thing we're going to look at is the Peak Endurance 2, and this is the perfect headset for working out, going on runs. So just taking this out, we still have that blue dye pattern that you could find right around the entire branding of this thing. So the main highlights of the Peak Endurance 2s is that you get 6 hours of playback, and even more, 24 hours when you pair it up with the case. And also it's water and dust resistant, so if you want to go on hikes, you go on trails and stuff like that, you're running in the rain, cycling, you also have a secure fit and that water resistant, so you don't really have to worry about that. And it also has a really good sound, and the charging time, you could get 10 minutes of charge for 1 hour of playback, which is insane. But if you want something that has a little bit more features and that over-the-air style, these are where the Tour 1 comes in. Some of the main highlights here with the JBL Tour 1 Greek edition, apart from the amazing sound quality, is the fact that it has tons of features. I know a lot of you guys on the channel love ANC. JBL has their true adaptive ANC technology that uses the 4 mics on the headset to either block out ambient sound or let in sound. If I'm just walking, I could actually hear my surroundings, which is also safe. You know, you always have to be aware of your surroundings, especially if you're outside. JBL also has features like talk through. It's another unique feature. It allows the music playing to basically go as low as possible, so you could just talk as if you're not wearing headphones. But I rather just to slide the headphones off my ears, because that will also pause the music. When I put the headphones back on my ears, it resumes the music I'm listening to. That's really convenient. There's also a touch capacitive button on the right side of the headset, so if you touch it one time, it pauses the music. Touch it again, it plays. Double tap to skip, triple tap to go back to the previous track, and so on. In terms of battery life, I haven't gotten the chance to kill these yet, but JBL says that you could get 50 hours with ANC off, and that just takes 10 minutes to charge with the USB-C cable provided to get 3 hours of battery life. If you guys are interested, make sure you try to cop them. Links down below in the description. These are limited pairs because it will only be on StockX, and that's why these are so hype. But yeah, as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.